She make these hoes turn up, they know. When the picture man say pose, she don't need no filter, no filter. Bitch bad, no filter, no filter. Because she thick fine when I love thick fine when I need her thick fine when I got her. Because she thick fine when I love thick fine when I need her thick fine when I got her. Because she oh my God, little mama she so certified. 5'7" with them 6-inch heels. Yeah, she hella thick, she don't miss no meal. Ass like damn, titties like wow. Hating assholes need to sit their ass down. That's my bitch, you know we keep it gone. Me and her together, we some bad motherfuckers. Cause she thick fine when I love thick fine when I need her thick fine when I got her. Cause she thick fine when I love thick fine when I need her thick fine when I got her. Cause she thick fine when I love thick fine when I need her thick fine when I got her. Cause she thick fine when it work it real left side, work it real left side.
Parang kailan lang. Naka 9 years na pala tayo. Naalala ko pa noong nililigawan kita at nang marinig ko ang matamis mong oo. Masaya, nakakakilig, hindi lang halata sa akin. Hanggang sa una nating date and the rest is history. Ngayon ay papunta na tayo sa panibagong yugto ng ating buhay. In the presence and guidance of our Creator. And as your better half, sabay natin haharapin ang mga bukas.
To my dearest Lolito, from this day onwards, no more see you tomorrow, or chat ka pag nakauwi ka na. Instead, magkasama na tayong uuwi. I am grateful to God na pinagkaloob ka niya sa akin. Thank you for celebrating my strength and embracing my flaws, and reminding me I am more than enough. You are truly a gentle, God-fearing, and soft-spoken person. Alam ko minsan, o madalas, naiinis ka na sa akin. Dahil sa dami kong gusto, demand at pabago-bagong desisyon sa buhay. Nananatili ka pa rin kalmado sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Yes, I admit na hindi mo ako pinamper with flowers during our monthsaries and anniversaries. Siguro twice lang. In 9 years' time. But you know what? My heart is at peace because of the emotional reassurance, comfort, and security you're giving is worth much more. Mahal kita. But no matter how many times I say I love you, I always love you more than that.
Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mong iyo.
You are the one of the best thing that ever happened in my life. I love the way you are and for what I have become because of you. I will always listen to your stories no matter how many times you tell it. Alam kong hindi madali ang buhay may asawa. May away, tampuhan, at hindi pagkakaunawaan. Pero sa lahat ng mga ito, araw-araw, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. I found in you not just a partner, but a home. A place where I can be myself, where I am loved, accepted, and cherished. Through every joy and every challenge.
Sa huli, rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
Ikaw ang aking kanlungan. You are my blessing and my happiest adventure. Salamat dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. Magkasama nating tutuparin lahat ng mga pangarap natin. Let God be the center of our relationship as long as we have faith in Him. I promise to love you today and always. I love you so much, my pretty little and adorable baby.
Ikaw pa rin aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin kung sa huling
I can promise to be the best for you always. But one thing is certain. Palagi kang may ako na magmamahal at mananatili mulit-muli at lagi-lagi. No one knows what our future holds, but I'm praying to God that you're always in it. If it's not you, definitely it's not anyone else. Let us put God always at the center of our marriage, and thank you for everything. I love you, Lolito Aniscal Salem Jr. Thank you.
Malaman